In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. Then tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean at the top. Now click on Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my storage was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!